While Subaru's commitment to quality means that every vehicle is engineered to the highest standards of reliability, local climate and road conditions can cause even the best components to fail occasionally. You can't plan for when or where they occur, but you can prepare for potentially costly repairs with a Subaru Protection Plan. Access professional factory-trained Subaru technicians without breaking the bank. Want a deductible that never rises with inflation? You got it! The Subaru Protection Plan gives you 3 levels of hassle-free coverage that's tailored to your needs. Powertrain protection, major protection, and complete protection. You're never far away from a Subaru professional with our nationwide repair network. Plus, count on fast, courteous roadside assistance anytime and anywhere in Canada or the continental United States. And should your Subaru have to stay overnight for covered repairs, the Subaru Protection Plan provides a vehicle allowance towards the cost of a car rental to help keep you on the road. Selling your vehicle? Transfer the remaining coverage to the new owner at no charge. More protection, more resale value, more satisfaction for you. The Subaru Protection Plan offers coverage for up to 7 years or 160,000 kilometers. So you've got peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Speak to your sales consultant about a Subaru Protection Plan today.